Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Sharda. Our today's recipe is Tutti Frutti cake. This is a very simple recipe and also very tasty. You can enjoy it during your tea time, or you can give it to your children's in their tiffin boxes. So let's see what we need for this simple recipe. 1.5 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 3/4 cup of caster sugar or powdered sugar, 3/4 cup of melted butter, 3/4 cup of milk, half tin condensed milk or 200 grams of condensed milk, half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half cup of tutti frutti, some raisins, some crushed almonds, vanilla extract half teaspoon. Okay, so we'll start preparing. For that we are going to sieve all-purpose flour. In that add baking powder and baking soda and then sieve them. Okay, so now on the other side we are going to take condensed milk. Now add in butter, confectionery sugar, and now we are going to blend it in a creamy consistency. You can also use your whisk or spoon to cream it or mix it. Okay, so you can see it has got nice and creamy. This is the consistency we need. I would recommend to use a hand blender because it makes the job much more easier, because using hands require more time and effort. So hand blender makes it easy and also gives a great texture, you can see. Okay, so now slowly you're gonna add in milk and then blend it. Now we are going to add all-purpose flour mixture and then blend it. Now we'll add the remaining milk and then blend it. Now again all-purpose flour. So we are basically adding the milk and the flour in parts. So first we added the milk and then a part of flour, then again the other part of milk and other part of flour. So this is how we are gonna do it. Okay, so after blending we are gonna add vanilla extract and then combine everything well. Okay, so now we are gonna add almonds, raisins and tutti fruttis. And now with the help of a spoon we are gonna fold it. We are gonna fold all the dry fruits and tutti fruttis into the mixture. Do not mix it, just fold it gently so that you get that fluffiness is there. So our batter is ready. Okay, so now here we have greased our mold with some butter and some all-purpose flour. You can also use butter paper as well. Okay, so now it's time to pour in the mixture. Now just give it a little bit of tap. On the top, okay, so now we are going to preheat the oven on 180 degrees Celsius for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we are going to bake the cake on 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes, around 30 to 35 minutes. So here our cake is baked. So now we are going to insert the knife and see if it comes out clear. And you can see the knife comes out clear. That means it is cooked from inside. If your knife comes out a little bit wet, you can keep it again for about 5 minutes into the oven. So it took me about 40 to 45 minutes to bake this cake, but it depends on different ovens and the temperature, so it may take you about 35 to 40 to 45 minutes around, something like that. Now let it cool down for about at least 30 minutes. Okay, so it has cooled down completely. Now we are going to take a knife. Just with the help of a knife, we are going to remove it. It will help in demolding very easily. Okay, so now take a plate and then flip it over. Give it a little bit of tap. And now very carefully remove it, and there you go. You have a beautiful tutti frutti cake. It smells delicious, and you can see the layer inside. It looks beautiful. It is nice and soft, and it has just got, it is just perfect, and you can see it's so easy to make. Definitely give it a try. It's very simple to make, and it makes a great cake for tea time or snacking, and it's very easy. If you found this recipe useful, do subscribe and thumbs up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.